Good morning students. As we have completed chapter number 4, that is reproductive health. Now in this session we will see some of the important MCQ related to chapter number 4. Now starting with first, which artificial reproductive technique can help a lady to conceive a child if both her fallopian tubes are blocked? So here the answer will be the IVF, that is the B option will be the answer, that is in vitro fertilization. Second, which of the following is not a copper releasing IUD? So we have seen all this particular examples in the different types of IUDs, and here the answer will be the D option, that is A and C, that is a LNG20 and lips loop. They are not a copper releasing IUD. Next, which of the following is the characteristic of an ideal contraceptive? So we have seen the characteristics. The most important ideal characteristic is it should not be irreversible. So this is the answer of this question. Next, what is the expansion of for MTP? So MTP topic we have seen in chapter 4, that is medical termination of pregnancy, that is here the answer will be the C. Next, amniocentesis is a process of, here the answer will be D option, that is in order to determine the disease of the embryo, that is the growing embryo, or in order to determine the sex of the particular growing embryo, this amniocentesis technique is used. Next, the function of copper T is, so we have seen the function of copper T, that as the copper ions are released from this copper T, they generally stop the fertilization process. So here the answer will be D, that is the stop fertilization. Next, what is the shape of the growth curve? So the answer will be A option, that is the S shape. Which part of the female reproductive system remains blocked after tubectomy? Eighth number, that is the A option, fallopian tube. 9. A widely accepted method of contraception in India is which method? So here the answer will be the A, that is IUDs, intrauterine device. They are the most widely accepted method for contraception. Next, by which name is family planning currently known as? The family planning, they are currently known by the word, the term we have seen in the introduction part, that is here the answer will be D, reproductive and child health care. Next, what problems in reproductive health care require doctor's help? So here the answer will be all, that is an STD, conception, parturition, abortion, infertility problem is there. So in all this we require the doctor help and doctor counseling. Next, in IVF technique, zygote or early embryo is transferred into which part? So here the answer will be the fallopian tube, that is the C option. Next, the programs to get total reproductive health in the social goal of national level are called, that is B option, family planning. This also we have seen in the introduction part of reproductive health. Next, test tube baby implies which of the following techniques? Now here student, please note down, here it is asked which technique it is applying. So here the answer will be D, ZIFT, that is zygote intrafallopian transfer. Last, which technique is used to detect AIDS? So here the answer will be the C option, that is Western blot and ELISA. Here students know Western blot is used for the protein detection, and ELISA, it is the confirmatory test to detect the AIDS positive patient, and the full form of ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. So here we complete the 15 important MCQ of chapter number 4. Here the answer key I have displayed of all the 15 questions. Again you can see from beginning. These are the important questions, and this is the answer key that I have displayed. I hope you will read all this MCQ and please just remember the answer for all this.